Hey there, Pathan and teachers. Welcome back to the channel where coding isn't just about writing lines of code, it's about writing lines of code with flair. Today we are Pathan. I know, decorators sound like something you hang on a Christmas tree. But trust me, they are way cooler than that. These little magic tricks can make your code cleaner and more elegant. So, if you're ready to learn how to decorate your classes in the way that I will make you look like a Python wizard, or at least make your code look like one, hit that like button and let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, we are learning about composition versus inheritance in Python. So let's talk about it, composition versus inheritance in Python. In object-oriented programming means in OOP, composition and inheritance are two ways to establish relationships between classes. Here's one example to illustrate both concepts. First, inheritance example. Inheritance is when a class derives from another class and inherits its behavior. This is one example it is showing you now. Let's run this example. So first of all, let me copy the example and then let me create a one window and then let me create a one file by the name of index.py. And then when we create a one file by the name of index.py, so what we can do, I'm making this file in my document. Anyway, you make it is your own choice. Now I'm pasting the code. First of all, we create a one class by the name of animal, then you use the def keyword like underscore init, then underscore. I write makes barks, output should be buddy barks. Now output will become buddy barks. Here you can see it. Why? The output will be becoming buddy barks because first of all here we make a one dog variable. Then I write dog. Then in it we write buddy. So then that's and then I write dog variable. Then is dot speak. And in the speak I write barks. So that's what is giving me the buddy barks. In the example, the dog class inherits from the animal class. The dog class number 2, the dog class can override the speak method to provide its specific implementation. Composition example. Composition is when a class contains an instance of another class to reuse its functionality. This one code it is showing you here, you can see it. Now let me copy this code and let me paste it here. And then the output will become Tesla model S minus greater than engine started. Why? And in the 8th line here we composition we car contains an engine. First of all, we create a one class by the name of engine, okay, and in inherits our class car, okay. Then in the return, in the 3rd line we write return engine started. Then we use the def keyword. Then I write like underscore init, then underscore, then I write like self comma model. Then I use self.model equals to model. Then I write self.engine equals to engine. In this self.engine equals to engine line, the car contains engine also. Then we create a one in the 10th line we write def keyword, then start I write self, then return f in the double commas I write like in the curly bracket self.model, then minus greater than self.engine.start. So the output will become like in the self.model, in the model I give Tesla model S, and why it is giving me engine started, because here I write engine started. So that way the output will become a Tesla model S minus greater than engine started. Why it is giving me slash greater than engine started, because I write here slash greater than engine started. In the example, the car contains an engine object, okay, the car contains an engine object, here you can see it. Then the car class uses the functionality of the engine without inheriting from it. Here you can see it. Now key differences. If I talk about the key differences, expect relationship inheritance is a relationship dog is minus a animal, a composition has minus a relationship car has minus a engine. Then flexibility, less flexible, tightly coupled composition, more flexible, loosely coupled. Expect code reuse. Inheritance shares all parents methods and attributes. Composition, it uses the specific methods and attributes as needed. Now expect overriding. Inheritance, if we call this inheritance, child class can override parent class methods. Now composition, No method overriding the functionality is used directly. Choose inheritance when there is a clear hierarchical relationship. Choose composition when you want greater flexibility and reusability without being tightly bound to the parent class. So in today's video, we talk about in the Python what are the composition versus inheritance in Python. We do the difference between composition versus inheritance. So I hope your concept will be clear about the composition and inheritance. We use the example of composition and we use the example of the inheritance also. So I hope your concept will be cleared. Composition is when a class contains an instance of another class is to reuse its functionality. And inheritance is when a class derives from another class and inherits its behavior. So these are the composition and inheritance. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. So now I give the outro of this video in the big screen. But first of all, you go on to Google, search here my channel by the name of Rayyan. Then click on it, and please, we are very near to 5,000 subscribers, so please complete it. And when you click it, so I'm uploading a videos on the chatbot and artificial intelligence and then these type of big videos like Python strings full course. So go and see that all the videos, and I changed the thumbnail of my Python. So tell me in the comment section below how is my thumbnail is, and it is good looking or not. So tell me in the comment section below, and come on to the playlist. And we successfully completed 183 videos. Okay, not 183 videos we completed. Let me see how many videos we have completed. Now let me come on it here. Let me open my playlist. So my net is not working fast, so it is now. Let's come on it down. So successfully we completed our 192 videos very successfully, yes. So now we complete 192 videos very successfully, yes. And I said you complete my 1000 views on my playlist and you will be completed very successfully, yes. Now on our playlist the views is 1065. So thank you for it. Now we completed 192 videos. So in this year till the date is 27, till 1 we completed all 200 videos of the Python. Okay, so we completed many videos. I think this is our largest course of the Python, I think so. Okay, because this type of one very big course never anyone uploaded, but I uploaded for you, so please subscribe my channel. But anyways, now I give the outro of this video in the big screen. So let's come on the big screen and let's give the outro of this video. Let's end the video of this. Let's end the video of it. So let's end it. You have it, folks. That's how you can add some flair to your classes using OOP decorators in Python. I hope you now feel like a decorator pro. If you found this video helpful or just enjoy the ride, be sure to hit that like button or subscribe for more Python fun. Got any question or want to see more cool Python tricks? Drop a comment below and I will catch you in the next one. Until then, happy coding and keep decorating your code.